welcome back to
Resident Evil 4.
I haven't recorded for the last 3 to 2 days, I think. Other than that, yeah, probably last time recorded like, I don't know, 3 or 5 days ago. Who knows, because I don't even remember. And just to know, there was a cutscene just showing me rising up. Just a cutscene showing me rising up. Leg spike, man. Merchant, I got leg spike.
Welcome.
I was gonna end it off with the merchant and the...
Got a selection of good things. What are you buying?
Nothing actually.
What are you selling?
I'll tell you when I
Is
tell
that
you
all,
it.
stranger?
No. Man. Either you're really stupid, or you're stupid.
Thank you.
I'm really close now.
Come back anytime.
From a letter from Ada. Once the plaga eggs hatch, it's nearly impossible to remove it from the body. But if it's before it hatches, then it can be neutralized by medication. If it does hatch, you might be able to get it out by surgery before it turns into a adult. But it won't be easy. There's a high chance of you won't survive in the operation. As far as I know, the girl was injected with the egg before you. Her time is ticking. You should prepare yourself for the worst case scenarios. I clicked the wrong button, but awesome. That's good, which means that's bad. The Matilda, man. Oh, I've seen you guys for a while. Sorry, man. Dude, I feel like these guys' difficulty just changed. Because if you're watching, you're seeing it. I shot him once in the head, kicked him in the face, and shot him again, and they died. So the enemies are getting weaker now. Well, these enemies are. Oh, crud. I made fun of that guy in the first playthrough I did, actually. Man. Stuff on fire. Oh, frick! Sticking wire. Damn. 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 Okay, not down. Ow, you sucker. That was the only guy with parasites. The parasite. Alrighty, I think I have near 9,000. Near 9,000! That's freaking good. Can't jump up. Oh man, that scared me! I got my own gun and someone scared me. What the? Oh my gosh. awesome. This is not what I wanted to happen, but okay, I guess I'm babysitting someone. Yeah, just play my dang Xbox, man. Just play something, Lincoln. Okay, there you go. I know what to do now. I remember what to do. I go over here. Amethyst. Oh, I don't even go up here. Oh wait, I just figured out where to go. Yeet. Oh my god. Eh? So I was moving it the wrong way. Man, I was gonna say I'm kind of stupid.
No, you don't say that.
Alrighty then. Alrighty. I'm keeping this flash. Just play game. Yeah, just play game on the Xbox. I don't need you to narrate my gameplay. Nope. Stop and play your freaking game. That one don't. Just play like Call of Duty. Yeah, play it. Just play that. Damn it. Ugh. I don't know why I act like I can stab him, which I can't. Yeah, I feel like my opponents got weaker. What is the point of this room? The first time I thought it was like a treasure room. Like there's treasures in there. Oh, this guy died too. I know what's up those stairs. Not stairs, ladders. Good night. I'm sorry, but there's no witnesses, I'm gonna say. Red herb, do I need a red herb? No, I really don't. I could just do that, and I don't really need to eat though, so I'm gonna keep that, I guess. Wait a minute, right? Get with the Matilda, boy! Get the fuck out of here, man! Oh, frickety frick! Frickety frick that out of here! Yeet! I'm the Get the frick out of here! Get out of my way! Run, Leon! Woo!
Te voy a hacer picadillo.
Spam. No, screw that! I'm stronger than you! Get the frick out of here!
Voy a hacer picadillo.
Going down. Get out of here, fake relative. Frick you, man. Lost plugger. Thank you. I have a problem. Oh, I know. Oh! Ah, what the frickity! Get off me, man! Man, that's stupid, Leon. Can you stop copying me, man? Stop! Okay, goodbye. And also, get the frick out of here! Oh! Mine. Hate him. Just freaking hate him. You gotta hate the haters. What? What? No! Spin. Nope. Okay, now I'm doing the mines. Oh man, this is gonna be tough tonight. Might think. What is that? Selling, not selling, because money. And if I sell money to a merchant, they're just gonna give me the same money back. They don't got me money. No! I got money, but they don't. I just saw it was the other side over there. It just. Hello. Ow! Freaking fuck you, man. Woo! I'm not ready for that. Can I actually? Oh, I might die, man. I don't have ammo on me. No! Are you kidding me? Frick you, man! I might die. I might die! I might die! Woo! Breathe, 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 breathe. Come on, come on, come on. Woo! Get freaking murdered, that's it. Dude, you freaking missed, boy. Ow! Try me, man. Ow. Like, I'm gonna take so much damage, but I don't even care. Because I have health on my side. Oh, shit. Oh my god, I just got saved. No, I'm gonna freaking die, man. Mother. Look! Get the frick you on. I might be dead. Get the frickity out of here! What the frickity heckity? What the heckity? No! Jump, jump! Oh my god, Leon, I'm dead. Please, make me jump. Because I just might be dead. I see why I didn't do this. It's nauseous. Thank God. Oh, frick. That scarred me. I'm just scarred now. Good riddance, folks. Yeah, I'm like... Yeah, no wonder I'm probably almost dead. Okay. Okay. Just, okay. Back to the freaking ruins. There we go. I don't even know. What did I just say? Stop! Stop! Thank you. Gosh, man. Just wanna stand in peace. Yay, my quote-unquote favorite part. Oh, I remember. Do not open one of these. I might have made a valid mistake, but I don't even care. Never mind. I can do this with only one mag. Uh-oh, yay! Another same thing. NI 72 AO W9. I just unhang. Right, I got something to sell for you. That's my first thoughts. Huh? That's amethyst. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna reload that whole save right there because I just hate that now. Last checkpoint. I wasted too much ammo, okay? I'm like, no thank you. Can you stop?
Stop.
Yes, please. What the frick? Oh, it's my hand because I put it down to my waist and didn't track for some reason. Can you stop? Wow, I've been trying to activate this guy and I kind of dumb for a moment. So I'm gonna need you, Luco. Do you all remember that glitch that happened? I broke the damn thing and then all of a sudden... No, man, what the... You can just click off. Let me give it down. Now take all these damn bullets. You're the only smoker. Get the frick out of here, man. Get frickin' juked, boy. Run for this part. Now they're done. Woo! Let me go! Go! Oh! Please someone made that! Oh, frick! Okay, I wasn't actually ready for that. Oh my gosh. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Uh-oh. I'm at the very end. Almost at the very end. Oh, man.
So nice you could join us, Mr. Scott Kennedy.
You again.
The sacred rite that's about to begin at this tower shall endow the girl with magnificent power. She will join us, become one of us.
This is no ritual. It's terrorism.
Isn't that a popular word these days? Not to worry. We've prepared a special ritual for you.
Woo! my controller. One of them. So I felt like I had a strap on. Just threw my controller almost around the room.
Allí están. Morir es vivir.
You thought.
Ya es hora de aplastar.
Frick you! What the f- Not that. This. Stop. I got a small brain for a moment. Oh! That would have hurt. I'll take that and then run back. Thank you and no thank you. Oh man, you got dodged. Yeet! And beep! Oh man! Okay, I'm done with this. Frick off, man. Are you kidding me? Freaking off, man. Frick that. No, I'm done. I was dead. Dude, I am not dealing with this guy. I hate those freaking things. Just no thank you. Are you? Out! Good. Oh, never move out! Get out! Mother freaking frick! Get the frick off, man! Get both of you off at the same time. You really want to try it. I just said how good it literally was. You know what? I'm gonna say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. as well, and I'm gonna say my goodbyes. What I mean by that? I'll take that and climb up here. And ooh, ammo. Jump down for it. No, because I can't even get back up then. Can I get up here? No, I can't. So I can't grab those ammo. Dang. What? Wait, right there. Oh wait, probably too high right here. Can you stop? I don't think I'm gonna.
Welcome.
Let's see if I actually have enough.
Got a selection
I
of
don't think I
good.
will.
What are you selling?
Oh, I might
Is that
actually.
all, stranger?
No, that's not it.
I'll buy it at a high price.
Please.
Thank
Damn
you.
it!
What are you buying?
You know what?
What are you selling? I'll buy it at a high.
No.
Come back
Let me
anytime.
save first, and I'm gonna text if I have enough. Actually, no. Override. No. I'm gonna override this save. No, wait, technically. Being really sure.
What are you selling?
This?
I'll buy it at a high price.
Actually, first, let me upgrade my. Let me reload my weapon and see how much you give me for that. Then.
What are you selling? I'll buy
Yeah,
it
he
at
adds
a high
more.
price.
He adds more things.
Is that all, stranger?
No, because this is just a test. See if I actually have enough. Damn. Give me 5 seconds again. Do. Bong. Can you stop?
What are you selling? I'll
Boom.
buy it at a high price. Is that all, stranger?
Nope. Bang. Bada bing. Bada boom. Bada bong. Bada bang. I don't think this will be enough.
Thank you. What
Let's
are you
go.
buying?
Let's go.
Stranger. Now that's a weapon. Thank you.
Now all I have to do is I gotta get everything back. Starting with the Matilda.
Wise choice, mate. Its ammo will penetrate just about anything.
I will have this, even though we all know what my dominant weapon is. Except, you know, I gotta keep a handgun on me. Yeah. Let's go. I gotta get back everything for the final boss. If I don't get everything that I need for my final boss, then I'm gonna count it as a freaking fail. Did you really hit me in the leg? Let's freaking go though.
You just missed her. The ritual is over. She left with my men to an island.
What?
Oh, don't worry. I think I'm gonna have enough ammo now for everyone.
I think it's time I paid my due respects towards your impressive and stubborn will. Mr. Kennedy, welcome.
a little bit longer than usual.
Monsters. Guess after this, there'll be one less to worry about.
For real. Already? Oh, frick, man. Ow. Oh, frick, you know what? I need actually... Let's go! Man, this is a strong gun. So I think I won this challenge by now, but I gotta unlock everything again, though. I need you, but I'm not gonna eat you by yourself. Because I gotta enjoy it with a red herb by my side. At this point, I would say I've won the challenge, but I actually need heals. Actually, no, not really, actually. I wonder, do you think I can be this using all... Do you think I could be Resident Evil 4 with only the Chicago Typewriter? Like, without no heals and anything? Like, no heals at all? Because I don't think I can. What? I'm playing games. Where is he? Megan, no! Put that back! Put that back! Now! Don't do it. It's not working. Oh my god, they might be crying. Give me 1 second. Grab other Goku. Grab that Goku. No, that one in the game case. No, that one. Yeah. Just wait. Okay, now put it in. Yeah, this one works. Alrighty, now I can continue. I don't even know where I'm at now. Oh. I'm not opening that one. Never again in my fucking life. The moment I saw that snake, I'm like, frick no. Oh my god, we don't want loud sound effects in the background. There you go, that'll be better. Merchant, my man! Alrighty, Merchant.
Got a selection of good things on sales. What are you selling?
Well, I'm selling everything that I could probably get the, Can I stop grabbing that?
Is that all, stranger?
No, man. I got a lot. Stop! I keep on grabbing the same damn thing.
Thank you.
That's nowhere near enough. But enough ammo. Never freaked it out, just. You know, in the cutscenes, we have to have a pistol, or else it's either gonna
Need a
show
ride,
default.
handsome?
Okay.
Ada. Yeet. I would have said I won this, but I actually didn't. Because that's a good question. Huh? Just go beat up Frieza.
Got some business to take care of. See you later.
Women.
Seriously,
I hate to break it out to you, but Salazar's dead.
Yes, it seems that way.
Sadler, why don't you give up and let Ashley go home?
Perhaps you are disillusioned with overconfidence, just because you killed my small-time subordinate.
Sadler, you're small time.
Oh, writhe in my cage of torment, my friend.
alrighty, let's continue this. Yeet! Yeet! Nope. Yeah, good job. Oh no. Did I just hear? Oh my god. Can I just put 50 millimeters in her? Oh no, I got spotted when it wasn't on top of me. What's wrong? Not that strong? Damn, that's right. Let me try out this pistol. At this point, I feel like I just won. Because at the same time, if I didn't have enough, I don't think I could have beaten the generator. Okay, bye. He has left the building. He has left the building. Which is not true because he didn't actually like he didn't like my room. He's not here anymore, so he's not copying me for a while now. I don't really need any loot. I stole everything and I can't believe that was actually enough. At this point, I don't even need to loot. I'm not opening these anymore. All I really need is just herbs, which I get from my enemies. Like that. Like, boom, money. Boom, money. Kills the next guy. Boom, herb. Piece of treasure. Like here, I can take that. It's emerald. I feel like Ganados are more stupider than me if they jump on that. You just give me money, I need herbs. Ow! Damn. Freaking bastard! Die! I'm hit firing! Well, you had a parasite and you're really into it. You shot a damn parasite. You freaking doomed. What? Oh my. I realize I could leave right now, but I'm just grinding. I'm just freaking grinding when I go like this. Seriously, all I could have done. I'll shoot you in the face, Merchant. Nah.
Welcome.
I think I'm gonna end it here. You know what?
Got a selection of good. What are you selling?
I'm gonna sell you. I really can't do anything about that. I'll
Is
sell
that
you
all,
this
stranger?
And this. Not. I don't really like the Punisher.
Ah,
That one.
thank you.
I'll sell
What
that.
are you selling?
Actually, can I get that
What
back?
are you
Actually.
buying?
Oh man. I think I clearly have enough. Actually, I think I can get
An
both.
awesome choice, stranger. Thank you. Is that all, stranger?
I just technically won the challenge.
Thank you.
You know what? This is just a mini challenge. If I can, I will get the infinite launcher.
Come back anytime.
Wait, no, cancel. Let me just, real fast, like, if you all remember my order. Let me just do it real fast. Holy cow, I'm gonna have to change the order right here and then. Okay. I think I'm good now. Ammo down here. Chicago Typewriter right here. Killer 7 right here. And the Matilda right here. Gonna upgrade the Matilda.
What are you buying?
This.
Not enough cash, stranger.
Oh, gosh. Alrighty. Maybe that's why I actually thought the Matilda sucked. It's because I never upgraded. Yeah, this is all we're gonna do. Wait, I forgot. You can't end off with shooting the merchant in the face. And also, a ding ding ding. Hey. God.